going to use HelpDesk system. So for this, we are, so congratulations, today is your first day at your new IT job. Your boss assigned you a ticket and issue tracks and your company's ticketing system to complete the lab. Okay, so here are our tasks for this particular lab here. So we'll go ahead and type in search and we want to search for issue tracks. And here is it. We'll go ahead and open issue tracks and select issue tracks here. And welcome to the job. This is a practice ticket to get you up to speed with issue tracks or ticketing system. Seems that Toad has gone and left his coffee mug in the networking closet. Please go put the coffee mug away. And okay, so the priority for this is set to medium. And make a comment on this ticket, then close it. Okay, so we'll go to we want to go to floor overview and locate the COP server and networking closet, I guess. And here in the networking closet, we want to remove these and place this here. We want to remove these, and this is out. So remove these here. Oh, okay. So the task here is to put the mug away. So let's put it here. Okay, I think it's gone. It's gone. Let's check, be sure. I think it is gone. So let's go over to the floor overview and we'll go back into we want to go back into IT admin. Go back into admin so that we can close this ticket. So let's impute a comment first. It is very, very important to add a comment before you close the ticket. So let's say the issue has been resolved. So we'll go ahead and add this, and we'll go ahead and close this, and let's go back and see if there's any other thing we missed. There are no open tickets. All right, so I guess we're done. So we'll go ahead and scroll up and see how we do, and everything is correct. If you find this video helpful,
college life can be tough. Health, family, and life challenges can make tech courses overwhelming. Our tech tutoring service helps you master labs, discussions, and assignments, step by step. No matter the challenge, we ensure you rise above, with confidence and an A+. Dream Set Services, helping you succeed with confidence.